Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me show you how to change the size of a character in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. Open the layer panel. Click and drag the layer to duplicate. Duplicate once more. Select this layer. And go to the select. Then choose subject. The character is selected but the shadow didn't. To select it, select Object Selection tool. Select Add to Selection. And add the shadow to your selection. OK, when it's selected, add a mask on the layer. Hide this layer, and select this layer. Then hold Ctrl, and click on the thumbnail to select the object in the picture. Now go to the Select, then choose Modify, and Expand. Expand it by 30 pixels, and click OK. Go to the Edit. And select Fill. Select Content Aware from the list. Set the opacity 100, and click OK. OK, that was removed. Unhide this layer, and select it. Press Ctrl T. And scale the size. Then press Enter. And this is done. Hope you liked it. Please follow me on social media for more useful and effective videos. Thanks for watching.